What to eat tonight? AI 852 Cooking Guide. Korean-style hand-mixed rice. This Korean-style hand-mixed rice is a super convenient, easy, and delicious dish. All the ingredients are super easy to find at any grocery store. Ingredients needed: white rice, short grain or sushi rice is best, crushed seaweed, salted roasted seaweed, canned tuna in oil, flying fish roe, sesame seeds, sesame oil, mayonnaise. Step 1. Prep the ingredients. Cook the rice first and drain the oil from the tuna. Once the rice is done, open the rice cooker lid and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Step 2. Mix it all up. Put the rice onto a plate, add in the tuna, flying fish roes, sesame seeds, crushed seaweed, mayo, and sesame oil. Then mix it all up with your hands. Step 3. Shape it. Take the mixed rice and form it into bite-sized rice balls with your hands. And that's it, ready to eat. Done. Taste review. It's super tasty and nutritious. Kids totally love it. You can even turn it into a fun little parent-child kitchen mixing class. If you have questions or want more recipes, just let us know anytime. Tip: the saltiness of store-bought seaweed can vary a lot, so when you're seasoning the rice, adjust accordingly to see if you even need to add extra salt.